Hello, my students. How are you? Preparatory today will explain from this questions, multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer. Lesson number two, relation. You remember I explained this lesson. We have the relation between x and y. If we put the value of x in the function, we can find the image. We know is the function, like f of x refers to the function. And relation, we named it the function if any image of x has one image in y. And we studied before domain and codomain and the range also. If we have relation between x to y, x we called it the domain, and the y we called it codomain, and the image in y we called it what? We called it the range. So in this example, multiple choice questions about the function. First question here, if of x equal x plus 3, then f of negative 2 equal. We can find the value here by put the value of x negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3 here equal 1. In the first solution about this first question, but the value of x here equal negative 2. Okay, look at where negative 2 here plus 3 equal 1. The value will be 1. Okay, choose letter C. Next question, if f of x equal 5x minus 7, then f of 3 equal. In this example, we will put here x equal 3. Okay, then we have 5 product by 3 subtract by 7. Okay, 5 times 3, 15. 15 minus 7 equal 8. And the answer here will be 8, letter C. If f of x equal 5x minus 3, then f of 0 equal. Put the value of x equals 0, then we have 5 times 0 minus 3. 5 times 0 equals 0. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Next question, number 4. If f of x equals 7x subtract half, then f of half equal. Put the value of x here equal half. Then we have 7 product by half subtract by half. 7 times half is 7 over 2 subtract by 1 over 2. You can write 2 in the numerator. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Then 6 divided by 2 equals 3. It shows the answer here. We have 7 times half. It will be 7 over 2 subtract by 1 over 2. Okay, understood? 7 over 2 subtract by half. Write 2 in the numerator and 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 3. Then the answer here will be C. Okay, he repeated 7 here. So the answer will be 7. Next question, f of x equal x power 2 subtract by root 2 product by x, then f of root 2 equal. Put the value of x here equal root 2 in this function here. We have root 2 here, root 2 power 2 subtract by root 2 product by root 2. Root 2 power 2 is 2. Subtract by root 2 times root 2 equal 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then the answer here will be 0. Choose letter D. Next question, number 6. If f of x equal x power 2 subtract by x plus 3, then f of 3 equal. We can find the value of x here equal 3. Then f of 3 equal 3 power 2 subtract by 3, put the value of x3 here, okay, plus 3. We can cancel together and 3 power 2 is 9. Then the answer here will be 9. Next question, f of x equal to x power 2 subtract by 5x plus 2, then prove that f of 2 equal f of half. First step, we can find the value of the function when x equal 2 and also find the value of the expression of all when x equal half. Put 2 here, then we have 2 times 2 power 2, okay, subtract by 5 product by 2 plus 2. 2 product by 2 power 2, 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. Subtract by 5 times 2 equal 10 plus 2. 8 minus 10 equal negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Next question, half here, right? 2 product by half power 2 subtract by 5 times half plus 2. 2 times what? Half power 2 here equal 4. Subtract by 5 times half is 5 over 2 plus 2. We can simplify, the result will be 1 over 2 here. Subtract by 5 over 2 plus 2. Okay, we can simplify the answer here, right? Write 2 in the numerator and 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Okay, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Then the answer here will be 0. Then f of 2 equal f of half, the answer equivalent equal 0. Okay, next question. He wants to prove that f of 2 subtract by 3 times f1 equals 0. First, I will find the found here about f of 2 first, and then f of 1, and then put in this expression to find the answer. First, I will find here f of 2. Right, 2 product by 2 subtract by 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 1 equal 3. And then I will find the value when x equal 1. Put here f of 1, 2 product by 1 minus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then in this expression, we have f of 2 here. Put the value of the first. The value of f of 2, I get it 3. Subtract by 3 product by f of 1 was 1. Then 3 subtract by 3, the answer will be here equals 0. Okay, understood this example? Okay, next question. Okay, listen to this question here. If f is a function on x where x equals 3, 4, 5, 6, and f of 3 equals 3 product by f of 4 equal 5 product by f of 5 equal 5. Okay, you can see now here is the example. Okay, we have three functions. F of 3 equal 3 times f of 4 equal 5, and also f of 5 equal 5, and f of 6 equal 5. Represent by diagram. Look at here about the order. I will write first the order here about this function. We have the image of 3 equal 3, and also then the first order 3 and 3, and second order the image of 4 is 5, 4 and 5, and the third 5 with 5, the image 5 is 5. And same next one, it will be 6 with 5. It's order here about this relation. We can put the brackets like this. So we can represent by orthogram to draw the function here like this. First function x and the image like this y. Right? All elements of the first x1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a function on x. X and the image in the y, we have 3, 5, 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5. 3 and 5. The image of 3 was 3. The image was 4 was 5. And the image of 5 was 5. The image of 5 was 5. Okay. 3 again. I will do it again. Okay, my students. X and Y. Y here is the image. We have only digits 3 and 5. And then draw the ray first from 3 to 3. Okay, and second 4 with 5. And the third 5 with 5. And 6 with 5. This is the function here, right? If the function set of the function and dimension the range. The range here equal 3 and 5. We have two images only, 3 and 5. Next question down here is the function f equals 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, and 2, 3, and 1. Write each of domain and the range. First, we can raise the domain. The first 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. The first was 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the range, we can raise the range here. The second image. The second 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Then the range, we can write 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Write the rule of the function. Look at here, 0 plus 4 equal 4. 1 plus 2 equal 3, 2 plus 2. So we can product and then add 1. Or here, product by 2, or product by what? 0. Convert to 4 plus 4. But if we subtract from this 4 minus 4 equals 0, and 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 0 equals 2, 3 minus 1 Okay, he won't find the rule of the function here. Who can tell me the answer? Okay, my students, you can find the function by choose any two numbers, find the slope. The slope equal 1 minus 2 over 3 minus 2. 1 minus 2 negative 1 over 1. Then the slope will be 1. We have the equation y equal m plus constant. Then the relation y equal here, the slope will be negative 1. Negative 1 times x will be negative x plus constant. Put any point like this, 3 and 1, right here, where 1 here equal negative 3 plus constant. Then the constant here will be 4. In the relation, we can write the function here f of x reverse to y here equal negative x plus constant. The constant will be 4. The result will be negative x plus 4. Like this, if we put 0, 0 times negative 1, it will be 0 plus 4 equal 4. 1 here, put 1. Negative 1 plus 4 equal 3. Put 2. Negative 2 plus 4 equal 2. Put 3. Negative 3 plus 4 equal 1. Then you can use this method, or you can think how we can find the relation in the example here between two numbers in this brackets. In this bracket, choose any 2 points and find the slope first, and then find the equation of straight line. The straight line passing through 2, 1, 2, and 2, and 3. Or you can think how to find the relation we have like this: negative x plus 4. Okay, put 0 here. 0 plus 4 equal 4. 1 put negative. Negative 1 plus 4 equal 3. And then put the value of 2. 2 here. Negative 2 plus 4 equal 2. The image 2. Put 3. Negative 3 plus 4 equal 1. Okay.